Hi, my name is Muhammad Usman, and my other fellows name Hamza bin Tariq and Abu Huraira Tariq. I am going to show you my final year project, which was smart automated irrigation through long range radio communication and plant leaf disease detection using image processing. My project mainly consists of two parts.
The first part of our project, automated irrigation system. Here is those two nodes, node 1, node 2, and here is master node.
In this irrigation system, node 1 and node 2 perform similar functions. Therefore, if you take one node, it will be not big deal to understand the function of remaining nodes. Node 1 has capacitive soil moisture sensor, a water pump, a LoRa module for long-range radio communication, a microcontroller that stores 7-day rain forecast data, which provides the probability of rain every 24 hours. The water pump is controlled by a 5-volt relay. The moisture sensor collects data and sends it to the microcontroller, which has a threshold value that can be different for each crop. The microcontroller of node 1 make a decision based on the current moisture value and the probability of rain. For example, if the probability of rain is less than 50% and the moisture level is below the threshold, the water pump will turn on. There are other cases as well. The microcontroller of each node will send its entire information to the master node through the LoRa module. The master node will be installed in the owner house, which will show all the information on a 0.96 OLED display, such as which nodes have their water pumps on or off. You can also replace all these water pumps with a single water tank and solenoid valve.